insert a needle from the down in between the layers of the garment. So pull it up and again reinsert from the same, from the downwards in between that layer of the fabric. Now knot it to secure. Pull the thread firmly, and this is the fold of the fabric. There is a 2 layers that you can see. There is a fold at the bottom of the garment, and now insert a needle in between that fold, like exactly on the fold mark. Insert a needle and take it out at a distance of 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter up to, and pull the needle out and catch at least 2 strands. 1 to 2 strands is enough. So catch at least 2 strands and reinsert the needle just next to that where you have taken out the needle. Insert it and again 1 centimeter distance. So you can see 2 strands which I hold it, and then take out the needle at a distance of 1 centimeter or less, and pull out the thread. So now you can see a gap, and also on the right side you can see the threads are not seen, it's an invisible. And again catch 2 strands of thread and reinsert it in between the fold, and take out again at a distance of 1 centimeter. Maintain the distance equally, like 1 centimeter is enough, and that holds good as well. Gives a neat finish. So continue the work. So now after a few stitches that you can see on the right side of the garments, all invisible except only one stitch. So I used a thicker thread and a black thread for this green garment. So where you can see, if it's a matching thread, even this will not be visible, thinner and a matching thread. And now continue the work. So maintain the distance equally. Each stitch distance should be equal to have a neat finish at the bottom of the garment, or a fold you can say. And as this is a long, I'm gonna lock it again at the same joint where you can see. So same joint is nearby. So few stitches, and then I'll put a knot to secure the stitches and to strengthen for a durability purpose. So I'm just locking it in and continuing your work over here to complete that. So now at the finishing stage, so secure it with a proper knot. See, now you can see the finishing of that hem, and without no threads are seen outside. You can see only dots, and there is the right side of the garment that you can see stitches are almost invisible. Like, thank you. Thanks for watching.